Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to explain how the sales unit prices by distribution channel program works. Sales unit prices by distribution channel is the program where you can address two different unit prices based on their distribution channel. This program also lets you to adjust the unit price using three different unit price applications. They are based on discount rate, which allow you to enter the percentage, based on discount price, which allow you to enter the discount amount, and the last one is based on selling price, which allow you to enter directly the special price. If I click in query here, there are three lines with some different adjustment. The first line is for wholesale store and applied 5% of discount rate, while the second line is for different item for retail store and applied selling price is 5,400,000 rupiah. And the last line is for retail store and applied 120,000 rupiah of discount price and for exactly the same item with line 1. So, these are the steps. Double click in item name. Double click in item name. Select one item or more than one item and then apply. Choose one option in distribution channel. Choose one option in unit price application classification. By choosing one of three options in unit price application classification, two of next cells will be automatically inactive. The cell which is inactive is colored by gray color. Enter the active cell as you desire. Entry begin date applying. Entry begin date applying. And then save it. So that's the final of sales unit price by distribution channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. So that's the final of sales unit prices by distribution channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.